Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go!
Starting off match number 66, over on the red side, your power chargers shoot with a near miss on that level 1 side. As on blue, Mech Warriors in their 25th season, scores up high for level 4 for your Blue Alliance. Looks like all robots have moved, but blue was able to score as red tries to do their best to match it here in the teleoperated mode. On the blue side of the field, the Mech Warriors are going to pick up a coral, and they will try to score that over with a near miss there on their reef. Back on the red side, there is an algae scored, courtesy of 8193, your Steel Stingers, as the human player of the Mech Warriors shoots and scores up into the barge area. 4 points for your Red Alliance. Lots of coral being scored on the reef over on that blue side with the desperate penguins trying their best, looking desperately to score, which they do. Another shoot and score for your Blue Alliance from that human player of the Mech Warriors. Speaking of the Mech Warriors, shoot and score as they are almost done with that level 4. If an alliance isn't going for that ranking point, that top level is worth the most points for your alliance. Over on the red side of the field, 8193, your Steel Stingers, a team mostly made up of sophomores, is now taking algae out of the reef, as those desperate penguins on the other side are about to nearly finish off that reef for the Blue Alliance. 9207, one of our younger teams, Redneck Robotics, is zipping around the field as they might grab the coral that finishes off that 4th level. With a lead of 88-56 with 38 seconds to go, the Blue Alliance is trying to strengthen that lead. Over on the red side with an interesting mechanism, 8193 grabs and scores that algae in the processor. Teams have to remember that the closer you are and the more algae you score up top, the harder it becomes to score. Currently with a score of 113-70, we have a tremendous lead for your Blue Alliance. Now let's see if they can cap off a hard-fought victory with a ranking point for the barge. We have 2 in the area, but they might not be climbing as we end our match. With a score of 118-84, Blue picking up 4 ranking points in that match.